Well, that's not right.
Did you get me though?
Yeah. Because it's him going to go up this on 100. Asshole.
What?
Did not think he was going to make it up. What about you?
Yeah, me neither.
Yeah.
It's only a 100. Like, look how fucking steep that is. I want him to hit that rock. Damn it. There's no fun in that.
I'm sorry, something about not being able to get up Skyhill on this bike?
We can't do it again. Making him do more work.
Yeah, I know. One
Maybe
now
he'll
we
fall.
just get to sit back and laugh at him.
You know what? We'll see if we can do it like a third time.
Yeah. Yeah, when he comes back down, we'll be like,
Sometimes
oh, we
charm.
didn't see it. We'll be like, we didn't see it the second time, but third time's a charm for sure.
We're such assholes. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is not good for the bike.
Okay, we definitely didn't see the top. Third time's the charm for sure.
You guys just want to watch me go up and down that hill.
No.
No, we actually missed you.
We're not that immature, come on.
There's no way you're going to be able to do it again. Moron. Maybe he'll fall this time. Hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams. Fuck me!
Damn it.
Got any more air that time. Fuck.
What the fuck are we going to send to AMV?
I don't fucking know. This isn't going to work at all, but it's going to make a funny video, though. That's what's coming back down at Aaron. I got him to do it a fourth time. All I had to do that time was put my dump this up, and he's doing it. Oh! Damn it!
Barely made it.
Fuck! Almost
thing
had
was
him that
bogging
time.
out.
Yep, and that's not good for the bike.
No.
No, it's not. Not gonna do it a fifth time? How come?
No, we're gonna head back.
Bored with one bike after a while.
Wanna do it that one?
Let's head back. You wanna go down one after the other, me after you?
Hold on.
Hey.
I wanna see him go up with this thing. This thing has too much power.
Damn, that was some nice air.
Fuck, I was hoping he was gonna fucking nose it and just flip over the fucking handlebars and smash his face.
Yeah, I know.
We are such bad people.
What the fuck are we gonna put on YouTube? That's shit. A lot of people do that.
Well, we gotta go up with it 6
Nobody
times
gets
now.
tired of a fall. You know?
That's not good for the bike.
There's fucking flies up there.
Want to do it again?
Yeah.
Ah, I did it worse that time.
Okay, I think what we need to do is tape that to the front of yours and have you go down and then me go down. So it like shows first person's perspective of how deep the hill actually is. You know what I'm saying?
Anyway, you'll be able to hold this and go up and down it? Put it in your hat? No, that won't work. Camera's this side. It's like that. Just put it in your hat.
I'm gonna have to hold it like this.
Don't drop it.
Yeah, that's neutral.
How do you boys like that one? Sorry about the slobber.
That's alright. Alright, well, that's it for the day.